Hi, I'm Michael Kerr,
Cassie Girard.
Jacob Coop.
And Josiah Brundage.
and we are Kansas State University's Salina campus team.
NASA's 2025 Gateway to Blue Skies competition challenges students to improve agriculture through the use of aviation technology.
Our team examined various issues prevalent in agriculture. After compiling preliminary sources and conducting interviews, we decided to pursue means of aiding livestock farming.
We have identified compelling needs, reduce animal sicknesses, provide source verification for premium quality stock, and monitor herd wellness.
Our solution is the Comprehensive Autonomous Analytics Tracking Livestock Evaluation System, or CattleSys.
CattleSys will consist of a fully integrated drone system, database, RFID tags and receiver, and AI technology.
RFID readers are placed in high traffic areas where each time an animal passes, the timestamp and duration for the animal's presence are recorded.
During standard operations, CattleSys periodically initiates UAS flights to acquire data from these high traffic areas.
As needed, the drone can perform searches for missing cattle, paired with thermal imaging and RGB cameras that will allow farmers to see their fields remotely through a mobile application.
The system is scalable to up to 10,000 acre farms when using multiple drones and dogs.
The approximate cost of CattleSys for up to a 500-acre system is $100,000, yielding a potential return on investment of as little as 1 year for farmers.
The next 10 years will consist of electrical and mechanical prototyping for unmanned aircraft and docks, as well as navigating the regulatory environment behind flying UAS beyond visual line of sight.
CattleSys will be an effective tool to help eliminate animal deaths and prevent farm losses across the world.
Best regards and thank you for watching.